But haven't we all said and done some things that are against our core? We've surrendered and submitted at the sacrifice of something valuable, or soulful essence, or creativity, or energy, or truth. But all is not lost. We can go again, better, wiser, stronger, more resilient. And now we know better, we can do better. Move past the guilt and shame. It's not over. Return within. Rebuild. Recover. Reclaim. Rewild. Here's Injured Instincts, a poem for Rewilding by Christina Forbes-Thomas. I've normalized the abnormal. I've laughed when I should have cried, ran when I should have rested, said yes when I should have answered no. I've retreated when I should have fought, remained silent when I should have spoken, submitted when I should have resisted, accepted when I should have rejected. I've put off when I should have progressed, schemed when I should have leapt, followed when I should have led, played dead when I should have awakened. I've complied when I should have objected, given in when I should have held out, been ignorant when I should have been knowing, hid when I should have shown up. I've gathered when I should have released, invested when I should have pulled out, waited when I should have left, sought company when I should have gone alone. I've shared when I should have listened, prayed when I should have acted, watched when I should have defended, wondered when I should have gone home. I've been de-souled. But I forgive me, I forgive them. I will be bold enough to try again.